I figured it out! I figured out how to make every single day just a little bit more exciting and a little bit more fun. I read a comment, just a throwaway comment on a writing Reddit or Tumblr, I don't quite remember, months ago, and then it finally clicked, like, a few days ago. The comment was, pretend to be a benevolent alien, or, you know, a wise or well-traveled member of a completely different species than human in your everyday life, and just see how much more fun you're going to have. I decided to try it. I went to the grocery store. I bought some milk. I bought some protein milk with cocoa flavor. I allowed myself to view this carton of protein cocoa milk as a benevolent alien would do. I decided to look at it as the weirdest, most delightful little item that I had ever seen, and it was amazing. My alien self viewed this carton of milk that we for some reason had decided to add more protein to and infuse with cocoa flavor, just in order to make a healthy and refreshing drink even healthier and more refreshing and more delightful. Why did we do this? The alien had no answer other than because we can, and because it's nice, and because it's better than just regular, non-protein infused, non-cocoa flavored milk. And it made it really, really fun to buy that. I went on the tram. Tram, great, fantastic. What is a tram? Well, it's big, huge, massive wheels of steel on tracks also made of steel, powered by electricity. What's electricity? That is water that goes really fast through a turbine, either by gravity or by heating up the water. How mind-blowingly cool is that, did the alien think? I gotta say, guys, it was a top 20 day in my life. I went home from work and I just allowed myself to be excited about the most mundane everyday thing, because I started to think about it from the perspective of a benevolent, intelligent alien that didn't quite understand what this was, but was delighted about all the moving parts and shenanigans that went into making it. I don't even know what the point of this video is. I just know that it made my day a lot better, and I would love if more people could hear about this little life hack on how to make an otherwise regular, normal, routine day way more exciting and way more fun. I'm gonna do this so much more. It made me appreciate the little things to such an immense degree. Thank you for listening. Stay fantastic, stay amazing, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, my friends.